Sharpness test. Delta Force butterfly knife. Banana.
Yo way.
Barely scratched the skin, I mean.
Due to its raised incredible downward force, made some damage here because no edge. Look at this. No point of testing it. Let's go sharpen it and guess how sharp I can get it to. Well, the problem is, it's soft, not steel, soft metal. After polishing, it's gonna be dull as hell. What to do? New Ryzen sharpen to 20 degrees. Create a little tiny bird on top of it so it can be sharp.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, not bad for a toy.
老力